My name is Giddish. I'm 74 years old. I'm an electrical engineer and also I have a master's in computer science, and I'm retired now for the last 2 years. I'm pretty busy. I cook, I clean, laundry, shopping. I don't watch news TV. I watch YouTube, and I watch physics, mostly physics shows or any other science shows. Mostly it takes the quantum physics. I try to study, I learn. That takes my day. They have quite a few activities here. They have exercise programs. Sometimes participate in that too, like chair yoga and tai chi, things like that. I'm always upbeat. I'm very optimistic person. So I talk to people and then we exchange ideas, and sometimes about nothing, uh, mostly weather. So I'm pretty active and pretty happy person.